Is it Patrick for me?
I think so.
And me too.
No, not for you, Julia.
Wait, is this the thing you said that I would get, but you didn't give it to me yet? Oh my god, what is that?
Don't hit it. Open it up.
It's hard.
No, don't press it. What are you doing? Could be. No. Don't hit it. What the hell's wrong with you?
I can't open it.
Go get your. Why would you punch it? You should never do that to any of your items that you get in the mail. Don't ever punch any of the things you get. Watch your finger. Oh, watch your finger. That's so close. I think you got it now. It's open. Go ahead. Just put your hand in there.
Okay.
Now be gentle with it. Be very gentle and careful with it.
Wait, this is glass?
I don't know. You just beat the hell out of it a few minutes ago, so hopefully it's not.
I have no idea what the heck this is. Okay, whatever. I know what this is.
What is it?
The battery for my car.
What is what's it called?
How come you got two?
Turbo battery?
Yeah, that's from Grandma and Papa T.
Is this going even faster than the other one?
It'll probably be the same, but you have your own now, so now you can go in your own car.
Is this a joke?
What do you think?
This is a joke.
Say, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you to who?
Grandma.
And
Papa.
Papa who?
Papa T.